Hey guys, Shirley here from Intelligent Domestications, and I want to welcome you to my craft room and to the first week of the Craft Space Makeover Challenge. I've joined a bunch of other bloggers. All of us are working hard to reorganize and get our craft space back in order. For mine, I have a craft room. I'm blessed to have a room that I can dedicate to crafting. We moved in our new home July 25th, and truthfully, I never really got this space organized. I'm going to let you take a look at the aftermath of the holiday season. It's pretty bad. This is my main workspace that I'm willing to show you. The whole room is a giant mess, but this is the space I'm going to make over. As you can see, there's nothing on the wall, so that's going to change. I'm going to get organized, more functional. For me, my goals are mostly functional, organized in a functional manner, and I need for it to be a pretty space. Don't you just enjoy things better when they're pretty and look nice? And so join me in January where we'll share our updates once a week for making over our craft space. I would love your ideas of things that you have done in your craft space that work well for you. Share them with me. I need ideas. So I look forward to meeting you once a week, every week in January, when we share our updates with you, and we're going to make our craft space a whole new place. See you at the challenge.